Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Managing your workspace in Microsoft Outlook often requires adjusting the visibility of the navigation pane. This sidebar contains your folders like Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts. If it disappears or takes up too much room, you can easily toggle it. To show or hide the navigation pane, first open the Outlook desktop application. Look at the top ribbon and click on the View tab. In the Layout group, you will see a button labeled Navigation Pane. Click this button to open a drop-down menu. You have three main options here. Selecting Normal keeps the pane expanded on the left side of your screen. Choosing Minimized collapses the pane into a thin strip to save space. Selecting Off hides the pane completely from view. If you prefer using your keyboard, you can press Alt and F1 at the same time to quickly toggle between the expanded and minimized views. Sometimes the pane might look different if you are using the newest version of Outlook. In the modern interface, there is a small arrow at the top of the sidebar. Clicking this arrow will collapse or expand the folder list instantly. Keeping the pane hidden is great for small laptop screens where every inch of space matters. You can always bring it back whenever you need to switch between folders or check your calendar. Mastering these simple clicks allows you to customize your email experience and stay productive throughout the day. Simply navigate to the View tab anytime you want to change how your folders appear. This process works for most versions of Outlook used on Windows computers today.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.